How to create build a skill on Google Calendar. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create build a skill goal on Google Calendar easily. So first thing, go to Google Calendar. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go down and click on this option. Now after you click on this option, click on goal right here. Now after you click on goal, you will find many options here. Click on build a skill. Choose which skill you want to build. For example, language, learn to code, practice an instrument. Choose the one you want and click on it. Click practice piano once a week, 30 minutes, best time, anytime, and click yes right here. And it's done. Don't forget to like and subscribe.